Hi there, today we are going to replace the temper glass for the iPhone 13. I have been ordered from Amazon. This is Caesar Tech, 99 rupees only. Now it is showing as 125 rupees. I have bought this in this sale. So it is rated 4 with almost all 3000 plus members. So, so after 2 years we are renewing this temper glass because there is little damage over here. That's why we are changing it. Myself I change all the temper glasses. So let me remove this first of all. Myself attached this temper glass also. Look at this. So let me open this. There is more branded things. Also the same company is also selling the 300 rupees worth of temper glass also, but I think this is enough for me. So it is a clear temper glass. It has been given 9H, that means 9 hardness, which is enough. So first of all I am using hard one, dry cleaner. Lot of dust is there, using finger to remove. It's been 2 years, right? That's why this much of dust around this glass has been there. Okay, I have been clearly removed that using wet wipe first. Now I am going to use the wet wipe. Display and the aluminum frame, they really do mobiles in a different way compared to others competitors. Now I am using wet wipe again. Everything done. That's it. We need to wait till until it is attached clearly. Perfect. Look at this. Everything perfectly set. I have chosen black and white display, that's why it is looking like that. Look at this. Everything is clear, right? So that's it for the video. I feel this is good enough temper glass. So hope you know how to use temper glass, and by yourself, do it yourself is important. That is called DIY. So just 99 rupees with the good quality of tempered glass been attached. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and don't forget to share with your valuable friends. Thank you.